Has there ever been a moment in history that has witnessed such a complex and enduring conflict as the Israel-Palestine conflict? A conflict that has its roots deep in history, culture, religion, and territorial disputes. Let's delve into the intricate tapestry of this ongoing dispute to better understand its origins and the events that have shaped it. The journey begins in the late 19th and early 20th centuries with the rise of nationalist movements among Jews and Arabs. The Balfour Declaration of 1917, a public statement by the British government supporting the establishment of a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, ignited tensions and led to sporadic violence. This period also saw the emergence of Palestinian Arab nationalism, further escalating the discord. Fast forward to the aftermath of World War I. The mandate for Palestine, an obligation to establish a national home for the Jewish people, stirred sectarian conflict between Jews and Arabs. This tension culminated in the 1947 United Nations Partition Plan for Palestine, which, failing to be implemented, resulted in the Palestine War from 1947 to 1949. The current status quo began in the aftermath of the Six-Day War in 1967, a conflict that saw Israel's military occupation of the West Bank and Gaza. This occupation has been a significant point of contention in the Israel-Palestine conflict. Thereafter, the Oslo Accords of 1993 to 1995 marked a significant stride towards a two-state solution. However, critical issues such as Jerusalem, settlements, borders, and security remained unresolved. Fast forward to more recent times, we've seen a resurgence of violence and tension with clashes at Jerusalem's Al-Aqsa Mosque compound, a site revered by both Jews and Muslims. This violence has led to numerous casualties and an escalation in fear and tension. In an attempt to de-escalate the situation, organizations such as the International Committee of the Red Cross have called for restraint and adherence to the rules of war, emphasizing the prohibition of direct and indiscriminate attacks against civilians. To summarize, the Israel-Palestine conflict is a long-standing dispute with roots in nationalist movements, territorial claims, and religious significance. Key events shaping this conflict include the Balfour Declaration, the Mandate for Palestine, the 1947 United Nations Partition Plan, the Six-Day War, and the Oslo Accords. Recent events have seen a resurgence of violence, particularly around the Al-Aqsa Mosque compound, leading to international calls for de-escalation. This complex conflict has seen a myriad of attempts at resolution with varying degrees of success. Yet the hope for a peaceful resolution remains alive as the world continues to watch and wait for progress in this enduring conflict.